to take action.
Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong has informed that land for the Western Bypass has been partly handed over to the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited (NHIDCL) for the construction of the road. He said that everything is on track and the possession of the land has been partly handed over by both the DCs to NHIDCL. He hoped that the government will soon hand over the entire stretch to NHIDCL for the road. He said as far as Shillong-Dawki Road project, he said that the work is going on smoothly in package 1 and 2 of the road project.
I will do a review meeting with the NHSL and then all the concerned department for the implementation of Shillong-Dawki Road, and number 2 is for the Western Bypass. So right now everything is on track, and as far as Western Bypass is concerned, even the possession of land has been partly handed over to the NHIDCL. Both the DCs, one is from East Kassim and number 2 is from Riboy district. So land possession has been handed over partly, and very soon I'm very sure we'll be able to hand over the entire stretch of this road length, whatever, to the NHSL, because the work order also has been issued to the contractors.
Lakhs of devotees converge at